Alright, I am going to go over our featured slider, and one thing to note is we're using the same slider on the home page as well as on our page styles and our portfolio singles. So it's all the same slider, which makes it nice and easy for you because adding images and etc. Will be the same. So let's go and just open up the homepage featured slider and take a look at it. If we scroll down till we get to, it's called the flex slider, we can just see basically the sliders created by a list, unordered list, and each list item is one slide. So it's pretty simple. You could also use HTML content if you want in there, or you can add a caption, like our caption example, by just adding a paragraph with the class of flex caption. The slider is going to automatically resize for you, so you can use taller images or shorter images if you want, without having to edit any of the code. The last thing I wanted to go over with that is underneath this slider is the JavaScript that calls for the slider, and basically all this does is loads the JavaScript and gives you a ton of options. So if you wanted to change the animation from fade to slide, you can do so in the JavaScript below. You'll notice if you wanted to change the transition times, you could turn autoplay on or off. You could also turn the directional navigation and the bullets on and off as well. It's all handled in the JavaScript below the slider, and it's going to be the same exact code for all of these. Okay, another thing is you can also put videos in there as well. I have a commented video, and the video will automatically resize. So now that we view it, the video is going to automatically, resize, as I said, to the full window. So you'll notice it's quite large here on the featured slider, but depending on what video you use and where you put it, you can add videos as well. And that's basically, top to bottom what the slider is, just a set of unordered list and list items, and you let the code do the rest for you. Oh, if you want to edit any of the CSS for that, it's in the standard.css file under the section number 8, featured slider and page title, section featured slider. So it's really simple, if you want to customize that.